A very warm welcome to my new channel. My name is Carla and I'm from ReCalm Holistic. We are all about making aromatherapy candles, bath and body products that are 100% natural. And today I'm going to share with you how to make an aromatherapy candle with our step-by-step guide to help you. It has everything you need in this kit to make 2 aromatherapy candles. So before we dive into the step-by-step guide to making your aromatherapy candle, I want to share with you something unique about this kit. First up, we have Relax Blend. This is our sleep promoting, meditating, calming blend and perfect for winding down in the evening with soothing properties to ease tension and quiet the mind. Next up, we have Rejuvenate with its happy citrus notes. It's perfect for energizing and motivating your mood. Then we have our Recover Blend, which is packed with antioxidants and antibacterial properties. It's the perfect wellness blend to help you breathe easy. Finally, we have our signature blend, ReCalm. It is designed to help ease stress, anxiety, and balance your emotions. It is reminiscent of a serene spa experience. You will get 210 grams of natural soya wax, 2 Apothecary glass amber jars with lids, you will get a candle care guide. You will get 2 warning labels for the base of your candles. You will get 2 pegs to straighten your wicks, and you will also get the labels that match the essential oils that you've chosen for your candle jars. You will get the step-by-step guide on how to make your candles. And you get to select the oils. So you get 2 of these in your kit of your choice. You will also receive 2 cotton wicks and 2 glue dots. And all you need at home is a little saucepan, a Pyrex glass jar, a spoon, long dessert spoon, and a pair of scissors. Glass jar into the saucepan of water. And open up your wax and pour into your glass Pyrex jar. Double boiler method. And slowly melt your wax by stirring occasionally until the wax is clear. So it's until it's completely melted. So now we can take it off the hob. And it's clear. So we now need to make it, wait for it to go cloudy. While your wax is cooling, apply your wicks to your jars by removing the stickers and applying the wick dots to the centre of each of the jars and sticking and holding down. So now your wax has gone to the cloudy stage. It's the perfect time to add in your essential oils. You do not need a thermometer. You are just looking at the texture and the cloudiness. Now I'm going to apply the Relax Blend and stir for a minute to bind the wax with the essential oils. Pour in slowly to prevent bubbles and pour to the inner rim. That's perfect. Put your peg to centre the wick and repeat to the other candle, adding the ReCalm this time. And you need to allow to set for 24 hours. Now it's time to cut your wicks. You need to allow 1 centimetre so you can close the lid without bending the wick. And this is the perfect length for burning a candle. And just tidy up by tapping out any of the excess soya wax. That's one-handed. There we go. That's it. Perfect. The ReCalm sticker on. have it. So you put the stickers on. Not forgetting to apply the warning labels, the circle labels, to the base of the candle. After 1 week, your candle will be cured. Remember to keep the lid on while your candle is curing, and also keep it on in between burns. Time to enjoy your candle. Your candle will last for about 30 hours. For the first burn, we recommend 4 hours,